Welcome to our channel. If you need to close your Wells Fargo bank account, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure proper account closure. Step 1. Before closing, transfer or withdraw all funds from your account, except enough to cover any pending transactions. Step 2. Cancel all automatic payments, direct deposits, and scheduled transfers linked to your Wells Fargo account. Step 3. Ensure all pending checks, transactions, and deposits have cleared to avoid overdraft fees or returned items. Step 4. Contact Wells Fargo customer service by calling 1-800-869-3557 to initiate the account closure process. Step 5. Alternatively, visit your local Wells Fargo branch in person with valid identification to close your account. Step 6. Inform the representative that you want to close your account and provide your account number. Step 7. If closing in person, you may be asked to provide a reason for closure and sign account closure documents. Step 8. Decide how you want to receive your remaining balance, either as a cashier's check, cash, or transfer to another account. Step 9. Request written confirmation that your account has been closed and the closure date. Destroy your debit card, unused checks, and keep the closure confirmation for your records. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.